Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix suspended Venmo account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your browser and then on the search bar simply type in Venmo account frozen and then click on the first link that is shown to you. And once you do that, you'll be redirected to the Venmo help center. Now all you gotta do is click on this contact us option highlighted in blue, and once you do that, you'll be redirected to a page. Scroll down until you find the submit a request form, and all you gotta do is fill up that form, and then on the tell us box what you need to do is briefly explain about the problem that you are facing. And once that's done, if you can attach a screenshot as well and then click on submit button. And once you do that, in a couple of days the Venmo customer support team will reach out to you and fix the issue. The next thing what you can do is head over to your Venmo help center once again, and then on the search bar type in suspended and then check to see if any of the options work for you, or you can simply directly call on the Venmo number and then talk directly to them and explain about the problem that you are having, and they will fix it for you. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.